Now, let's move on to the second step. It is economic quality control. Let's see our testing machine. Now, we are testing our raw material, such as a capacitor and transformer. Hello everyone, this is Kina. Today I'll introduce our factory for you guys. Now, let's focus on the production process. The first procedure is component assemble. Every components on the PCB board. Let's have a look. Now, it is the third step, soldering the pin. And one thing I have to say that it is environmental soldering because we have a smokeless equipment. It is not harmful to our body. In order to insulate, we will put a UL glue on the PCB board. After soldering pin, this is a soldering the PCB board. This is the fifth step, product assembly. Assembling the PCB board inside. Let's have a see. And the sixth step is ultra-wet assembly. As you can see, it is a manual assembly, but after the ultra-wave, the charger will become stronger and more tiny. Okay, my friends, I believe you have seen the whole production line. So, for the finished product, we also have a professional QC team to check it. As we all know, Vicky's product is very distinguished in market. One of the reasons is that we have the silk print machine to print the client's logo on the product. After the professional QC, we pack the product into packaging box. This is our packing production line.